Hey everybody, welcome back to the Video Geek Squad channel. If you have been following along with us, we are in our series here on the MorningFame software, and we're sort of walking you through MorningFame. In this particular video today, what we're going to talk about is writing effective video descriptions with MorningFame. And I want to dive into this with you guys today. And I think that this video will be very, very helpful to you and really helping you craft a better video description for yourself and using this tool to do it in a way that's going to help you maximize all of your video growth. Okay. All right. Now, here's one of the things that you want to do. So let's go over to the software now and let's sort of dive into it so that way you can see how to write a more effective description using MorningFame. Now, what we see here is we're inside of the software. Now, we were in our series of videos. We've been doing a video about keyword research, and what we have now, we've come up with our keyword research title. And so, what we want to do now is we want to write a very good keyword rich description. Okay. Now, the great thing about MorningFame is going to help you determine what's necessary. Now, there's three things that we're going to cover in this video before I get started here. We're going to talk about the role of descriptions in your YouTube ranking. The second thing we're going to talk about is incorporating these keywords naturally into your description, and tips for helping you to include call to actions inside of your descriptions. So let's talk about the role of descriptions in your YouTube ranking. All right, number one, what you have to keep in mind that YouTube is like a blog, but it's a video blog. It's a place where people can go on the internet and punch in a topic or subject matter, and they can look for a specific topic or subject and find that information. So the importance or the role of your description inside of YouTube is going to help people find what it is that they're looking for. So the more information that you can include inside of your description, the better it's going to help you to be found inside of YouTube. Okay, so you want to make sure that your YouTube descriptions are thought out, that they are well crafted, well written, and they're actually written like a human being, right? You want to make sure that that is the case. So that's the first thing. So that's really the role of your description when it comes to YouTube ranking. The second thing that you want to do is you want to incorporate keywords naturally into your descriptions. Now, when we're using MorningFame, MorningFame is going to help us do that, and they're going to help us do that in a very rich way. What we're going to be able to do is we can come down here to say highlight tags, all right? And you can see the words that you need to write and put in your description to come up with a better description. So what I would do in this is I would say, welcome to my keyword research. Now, what you need to notice, the moment I added the word keyword here, it disappeared from our list here. So what's happening is MorningFame is letting you know the more of these words that you use in your title, the better or the rich your description will be, right? So the more you use these words, the more it's going to disappear, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and write out my description here, and we're going to come back and you're going to see the effectiveness of using this and putting this in this way so that you can optimize your description. So let me go ahead and write out my description, and I'll come back and we'll go through it. Okay, so we've already written out our description here. And we've written it out, and our description, if you will notice here, all of the highlighted tags that we have are gone, and it simply now says excellent. That lets us know that we've used everything that we need to use inside of our description. Okay, so we've gone ahead and we've done that. One thing that I want to show you inside of the software is you can add your hashtags right inside of here. It's going to suggest some hashtags for you. So if you do not have if you don't have a set of hashtags, you can use, put it in there for you. I recommend that you put the hashtags down at the bottom. What YouTube is going to do is they're going to look for the first 3 hashtags that you use. So if you use more than 3, like you've got 10 or 15 hashtags, from my study and from my research, YouTube is only going to highlight the first 3 that you use in your description. Okay. That doesn't mean that you can't use others, but There you have it. All right. Now, inside of here is where you're going to also want to add your links to your to what additional websites that you want to send people to. If you have a link that you want to send them to, like let's say for instance it's your website, this is where you want to include your call to actions as well as put in your affiliate links down below. Okay, and so you can look here and let's say for instance I wanted to send you to videogeeksquad.com. I could send you to Video Geek Squad, and then that's where you could find that information. And so there you have it. All right. So we've used all of our the words, our highlighted tags, and we've written out our description. Now, of course, you can use something like ChatGPT if that's something that you wanted to do. You can most certainly do that, and that'll help you to craft a better description for your videos. But this is the easiest way for you to do this and to make sure that you are maximizing your video description. And keep in mind, you've got your title now. Now you've got your description, so you're doing very good when it comes to your workflow. Now, what we're going to talk about in our next video is we're going to talk about tags and how to use tags and making sure that we're using tags most effectively. All right, so that's what we're going to get into in our next video. So make sure you guys hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, so that way you don't miss another video when we come out with another video in this series of videos. And I'll see you guys in the very next video.